Birds. There's nothing really like them. It's a wide variety of species around the world that, some even haven't been discovered. All of them of which have their own unique beauty to them. Even if it's not physical beauty, still beautiful in the things that they can do. Now, like many, have you ever wondered what it would be like to be a bird? I have a million times. The things they see, the things they do, the places they go. Just Lord, all the things they can do with each other, and it's like a group effort, Fun fact, did you know that 40,000 different types of species are migrants? That's 40% of birds for you, all around the globe. That's pretty amazing if you ask me. Now, as a bird watcher, I've only probably covered about maybe tops 10% of those birds, and I'm still trying to uncover the rest. Now, that'll take me a lifetime, one of which I am willing to spend with these birds, but unfortunately I will not be able to do that anytime soon, but I will spend the time I have right now with the birds I got. Like many as well, everyone has this dream of flying, myself included, very much so. All the places they get to see, even that people have not been, gosh, the beauty behind them. It's definitely a dream of mine, and a dream that I, hopefully, one day, if the future is on my side, can perfect. So, with that said, if you're a bird watcher like I, you know the true beauty behind the job itself. So, uncover some birds with me today, folks. Let's do some bird watching.
Benny! God! Look, we call ourselves professional bird watchers. This is the third time we've gone and we have not brought in binoculars.
Hello, this is my good friend Roger. He tends to get like this sometimes. I'd like to call it anger issues, but truth be told, I think it's really just he's into bird watching that much. Personally, I'm not really all that into using binoculars. I think that, as they say, I'd like to get more one with the birds, because, as a bird watcher, if I was a bird, I wouldn't use binoculars. So why not be more like them? Roger, it's a spoonbill! Oh my goodness, it's glorious. Get over here!
Hold on! I'm looking at a sandhill crane. Okay, you hear that, Vinny? A sandhill crane. You gotta get over here right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sandhill crane. Come on.
Wait, did you say spoonbill?
Yes, come on. It's beautiful, isn't it? These are very, very rare.
Just so beautiful.
About a 1 in a million chance. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, I'm gonna faint. Roger! Roger!
Roger.
Roger!
What is it? It's an osprey, mate.
Oh my God, it's an osprey!
Are you bloody kidding me? Come on, Roger!
I didn't mean to.
Don't cry! God! Ladies and gentlemen, number one rule when it comes to bird watching, don't scream, don't make any sudden movements, and just be quiet. Otherwise, you could have scared the bird. You know better than this, Roger. I've taught you the rules. 1 to 10. 1 to a million. There's so many rules.
I'll just get away. I'll just leave.
Just go find a bird. Let me know.
Uncle Vinny,
What's up?
sorry about the osprey incident earlier. I got a little out of hand.
Things happen.
Uncle Vinny,
What's up, kid?
I had a really good time bird watching with you today.
Well, you know what? That just warms my heart. Because I think the whole point of bringing you out here, today with me is
Family.
it's family, show you perspective on, my hobbies. And I'm glad that I could pass them on to you, and I hope that you've learned some things.
Uncle Vinny,
What's up, kid?
you ever wonder what it's like to be a bird in the mountains?
Well, let me show you.